Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by unlocking the Redmi Note 13 and immediately opening settings so we can act fast. Once done, tap the search icon and type "Always on Display" to jump straight to the option. This avoids digging through menus. Make sure your screen is awake while you work, because some options hide when the device is sleeping. You're starting with the minimal prerequisites so changes apply correctly and you won't accidentally toggle unrelated display features. Next, navigate from Settings into Display, or Lock Screen if your MIUI places it there, and locate the Always on Display entry. You'll see a preview and a master toggle. Tap the toggle to switch it off, and watch the preview to confirm the clock and widgets disappear. If you don't see the toggle, open Advanced Settings or More Display Options. Sometimes MIUI nests it differently. Make sure to back out and verify the screen no longer shows the always-on elements. Finally, confirm the change by locking and unlocking the phone. The always-on elements should no longer appear. If they persist, reboot the phone first because a restart clears temporary overrides. If that fails, check battery saver and scheduled display rules. Make sure no schedule forces AOD on at certain times. As a last resort, update MIUI or reset display settings. This resolves glitches without wiping personal data. If you need more help, tell me the MIUI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.